Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug your Dyson HD07 from the power source. Safety is our priority, so always start with the device disconnected. Next, locate the screws that secure the handle of the vacuum. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Be sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, carefully pull the handle away from the main body of the vacuum. Take a moment to inspect the internal wiring and connection points. If you notice any damage, this is a good time to address it. Now, you'll need to cut the old cable. Use the wire cutters to carefully snip it at the connection point, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding wires. With the old cable removed, take your new cable and prepare it for installation. Strip the ends of the new cable to expose the wires. When connecting, be sure to match the colors correctly, black to black, and white to white. This ensures proper functionality. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with this step, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you troubleshoot any issues. Once you've made the connections, it's time to secure them. Use electrical tape to wrap each connection to prevent any short circuits. After securing the connections, gently tuck the wires back into the handle before reattaching it to the main body of the vacuum. Now, let's move on to reassembling the handle. Align it with the main body and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten and damage the plastic. With the handle back in place, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the internal areas you accessed. Cleaning helps maintain the performance of your Dyson HD07. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. After cleaning, plug your vacuum back in and test the new cable by turning on the machine. Check for any irregular sounds or issues. If everything runs smoothly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD07. Finally, if you encounter any problems during your repair process, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, your vacuum cleaner is an investment, and maintaining it is key to its longevity. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.